Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to get started this morning with our vocabulary, Unit 3, Week 6, Day 1. Today we'll start a new list of weekly words. Today's words are job, employment, and salary. Today's words are tricky, so let's talk about them and explore the different meanings. Now, during our lesson, I'm going to ask you questions and I'll pause, waiting for you to respond. When I pause, I want you to share what you're thinking. Even though I'm not right there to hear you, I want you to be thinking and sharing out loud as you're watching and listening to our lesson. At the end of the lesson, I'm going to let you know how you can respond and send that response with me. Our first word is job. Job, work for which a person is paid. These days, many jobs require that workers know how to use a computer and can collaborate with coworkers to solve problems. Wow, I'm using my computer today to do my job. And you're using your computer to do your job. And many of your parents might be home with you right now and using their computer. They also might be using their computer to work with other people at their job. So I want you to think, what is a job you would like to do? I hope you shared some great ideas. Now I want you to think about, why do you think you would like that job? Great job. Let's look at our next word. Employment. Employment, having a job that is paid. Having employment means that people receive money for the work they do. This means they can afford to pay for some of the goods and services they want and need. When someone has employment or a job, we can also say that she or he is employed. All right, time for you to do some thinking and sharing with me. When people have employment, they might work during the day, evening, or night. Describe the kind of schedule you might like to have with your employment. Think about the job that you said you wanted to do. What kind of schedule would you have? Would you have to go into work early in the morning? Would you go into work later in the day? Or would you go into work at night? Excellent. Let's look at our third word. The third word for today is salary. Salary, regular payment for work, usually with a set total amount. Boys and girls, having a salary means that people know when they are getting paid. Then they can plan to pay for the things they need and want. Not everyone has a salary or regular pay days. So many people have trouble getting what they need and want. Some people get paid when they complete a job. Maybe one of your parents has a job like that. And depending when they finish their work, that's when they get paid. It can get tricky if you're not getting a regular payment for work. You have to budget your money and think about, what do you need right now and what can wait till later. All right. Why do you think that some people have high salaries and some people do not? I want you to think about that. Why do some people have a salary that is high and make more money than some people? What do you think? Excellent. Okay, here's what I want you to do now. You'll need to complete this on a blank sheet of paper. We're going to do draw for meaning. We've done this many times in the classroom, so you know how to do it. But it's a little bit different because usually I give you all 6 words to choose from. But today, I want you to choose one of the words we used today. Go ahead, write your name at the top of the paper, write the word, and then I want you to draw a picture to show the meaning of the word. Then write about the word. After you finish doing all of that, I want you to go to Dojo Me and log in with the text code we shared with you this morning. Send me a video sharing your word, your picture, and your sentence. I can't wait to see all the fabulous work you're going to do. I'll talk to you guys a little bit later.